Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal with a new topic here. Our subject is Information Technology, code is 402 and today's topic is basic ICT skill. In basic ICT skill, we will discuss first word processor. What is the use of word processor? A word processor is used for the editing in your documentation. Any kind of the editing you want to be in the word the documentation, then you can use the word processor. Some kind of the word processor also provided here. First is Microsoft Word 2013, that is provided by the Microsoft company. Another word processor, Open Office Writer, it's a free and open source software. Next, Apple Pages. Another is Coral Word Perfect. And next is Google Docs. Google Docs is provided by Google company, that is an inter-based word processor. Now we will discuss how can we open or exit from a word. If you want to be open a word, then go to click on start button. After that, a drop down menu will be appear. Click on all program. Another drop down menu will be appear. Click on Microsoft Office 2010 and then a drop down menu appear. You can select MS Word 2010. For the exiting your word or documentation, just click on File tab, then press Exit button or otherwise Close button. Next topic, saving and printing a document. How can we save or print a document? In a saving a document, first we will click on the File tab, then a option will be click on Save option. If you are saving the same file with another name, then click on Save As option. After that, a window will be appear. Then you can select your location and write the file name and click on Save button. Then your document will be saved. Next is how can we take out a print of your document. We just click on the file option, then click on print. After that, a window will be appear. Then you give the number of the pages are here and select your printer, then click on print button. You can see in this picture easily here. We select here our folder, then write the file name and click on save button, then your file will be saved. In this picture you can see here we had selected a printer here, Microsoft XPS document writer, and then we write a number of the copy 1, then click on OK. Then your documentation will be on paper or hard copy. Next we will discuss about password protection. Why we are use our password protection? If you want to be secure your data, then you use password protection. First we will click on the file option, then click on info, then click on protect document, then encrypt with password. After that a window will be appear and you write here your password and reset the same password and click on OK. If you want to remove this password, then click on file tab, then info option, protect document option, then click on encrypt with password. After that we click on the remove the password, then your password will be removed and your data will be again unsecured. Next is alignment and word wrap. What is the meaning of the word wrap? Word wrap is a kind of the facility is here. If your line content will be filled, then it goes to the your cursor in the next line. It goes to the automatically. There is no need to click here. Next is alignment. What is the use of the alignment? Alignment is the kind of the facility where you want to be write your content. Left side, right side, center side or justified. Justified is in a by default start with the left side. You can use for the both side justify. The shortcut key is Control plus J. If you want to be write your content in left side, then you use left alignment. Shortcut key is Control plus L. If you want to be in center, then shortcut key is Control plus E, and you can also select the center, then your content will be in the centralized. If you want to be your content start with from right side, then you use the alignment right. Otherwise the shortcut key Control plus R also you can use. Go to the home tab, go to home tab. After that you click on paragraph group and then you can select your alignments are from also there. Next is header and footer. What is the use of the header and footer? Header is always top of your documentation. You can choose here any kind of the page number here, alphabet, date, time, author name, and the footer always bottom of the document. You can also write here your select any kind of the format, in which format you want to be write your page number or other things are also. You also can use here for picture. Our next topic is bullet and numbering. Bullet and numbering, it required on the list element, where if you want to be in a particular format use, then you can choose the bullet and number. Just go to the home tab and go to the paragraph group and select any kind of the bullet and number. In numbering option there is by default 1 2 3, otherwise you can choose capital A, small a, other Roman number also. In the bullet you can any kind of the select bullet are here. If you don't want to be any bullet or number, then choose none. You can, your data will be with the help of the in a pointed. Next is how can we create a table? A table created with the help of row and column. You can go to the insert option, then click on table. A table window appear here. Then you can see here some kind of the options. First you will select insert table. In insert table you can see here some rows and columns, and then you can create. Next is insert table. In insert table when you click here, then a window will be appear. There is you write or choose rows and columns, how many rows or columns you want to be there, then click on OK, then your table will be also appear. Next open you can see here draw table. In draw table you use pencil. With the help of the pencil you can draw your table, how many rows and columns you are required. The next is font. Font is in a theme is here, in which kind of the font you want to be used, which kind of the font face you are using, like an Arial black, Calibri. Font size, which kind of the font size you choose. You want to be 12 number, 30 number, 14 bold, italic, underline, some kind of the also font options are here. You can be select to them. You can see in this picture, go to the home option, then go to font group, and you can select here your size of the font, face of your font. We are choosing here Calibri body 16 size, bold, italic, underline, strike through, highlighted or not highlighted, which kind of the color you want to be there, any kind of the changes you can here. Next is text editing. Text editing is the kind of the facility if you want to be changed or edit your text, whatever you already written, you just select your text and right click, and then you can be choose from their options and you can edit your text. Next is find and replace. With the find and replace option helps you can change your content and find your content. Find and replace, first we will go to home tab, then go to editing group and click on find and replace option. When you click on find option, just here find and which content you find, you write that letter, then first click on find. If you find everywhere, then you click next. If you shortcut keys of find, Control plus F. Next is replace. Replace shortcut key is Control plus H. In replace you can change your letter with the another letter. Find what, which letter you have to be right here जो आपको चेंज करना है, रिप्लेस विद जिससे चेंज करना है, ठीक है. देन यू क्लिक ऑन द रिप्लेस बटन. Our next topic is page numbering. In page numbering, you can just go to the insert tab and select header and footer given the page number. Hope you like my video and enjoy this. Thank you. Have a good day. Please like and subscribe my channel.